In this quick video, I'm going to walk you through how easy it is to create an event in Livenar Plus. First things first, let me show you the dashboard. Up here, this will show you all of the live events you've got scheduled. Below that, you'll connect your social media accounts. Below that, you'll connect WhatsApp, Twilio, and your SMTP integration. Here are the archives. This is where you'll add team members. And below that is where you'll connect your autoresponder. Now, Livenar gives you two types of events to create, live or pre-recorded. For this demo, I'm just going to pick a pre-recorded event. Now, you can either upload a new video from your computer or choose one you've previously uploaded. I'm going to choose a previously uploaded version. Now you'll choose where you want it to go. Obviously, I'm going to do this to Facebook, but you'll choose any one of your destinations. Now, you can pick, with Facebook, for example, your timeline, page, or groups. Or you can do all three by simply selecting all three. Now, in this demo, however, I am going to just post it to my private testing page group. And then down below, we give it a title, and I'm going to call it Livenar Plus Demo 12/17/2020. And I'm going to choose either Go Live Now or Schedule Live. In this case, I'll choose Schedule so I can show you the rest of the dashboard. You'll notice it automatically creates a registration page and then shows you again here your time zone, the date of the event, and the time that you want it to start. Last but not least, you'll choose how you want people to register and get notifications. Email, SMS, or both. For this demo, I'm just going to use email. Once you're done, click Create. Now a couple of things are happening. First things first, Livenar's automatically creating a registration page for your event. Let me show you really quickly what your registration page looks like. Beautiful, isn't it? Shows the name of the event, who's hosting it, when it begins, and information down here for them to register, name and email. Now, since we didn't choose SMS, they don't have to fill out this area. But if you do enable SMS as a notification source, it'll require them to put their phone number in before they register. Now let's go back to Livenar's dashboard. Once you're in here, you'll notice the event description has the registration URL. Do not remove this from your Livenars. This is the page people are going to register on. But you can add to the event description either below it or above it. In this case, I'm just going to go to the beginning and hit enter, and I'm going to put register for this amazing event to learn how you can stream to multiple platforms in under 10 minutes. Click Save Now, and you'll get the green confirmation that it's updated. Now, you can update your registration page settings here by clicking this tab. And this, you can update the actual registration page itself. If you want to change out the logo, for example, the background image, you can go through and change all of it. The timer text color, your overlay, if you want this to be darker or lighter, all of those things can be edited here, and then you click Save to change them. The thank you page allows you to do a lot of the same things as well. You can upload an image to change out the background picture, change the different colors that you see there. Now, the video tab under registration page settings is where you can put a video URL and add it to your registration page. Let me show you how that looks by going to YouTube really quick and selecting a video. Here you can paste a link from your YouTube channel or a Vimeo link and click Add Video. Once you get the updated confirmation, you can refresh your registration page, and now you'll notice the video has been added. You can use this cool feature to let people know using video why they should register for your event. Next, you can update the social media links that show on the registration page. You can add tracking codes, and you can create a social media preview. What do you want this to look like when you share it on your social media networks? You can simply upload images here. And I'm just going to choose something from my jump story. And now you'll notice this is what it would look like shared on Facebook. I'm going to add this. Check out the Livenar Plus demo. This is going to be amazing. Now you can see exactly what your social media preview will look like when you share your registration page link. Pretty neat, right? Next link over is registration page text, where you see things like an exclusive Facebook Live hosted by, things like that. If you want to change it to a different language, all you have to do is go in and type over on the other line. So I'm going to say brought to you by instead of hosted by and click save. Now, see where it says hosted by? Now that I've changed it, you'll see it says brought to you by. So you can make those edits as well. Next thing over is your thank you page. Again, you can change the text on that. And reminders. This shows you the emails that they get as well as the text messages that they get, reminding them that the Livenar is about to start. If you want to change it, just click write your own mail. You can go in here and change. I recommend you do not change anything within the brackets. Okay? Now, other thing is your autoresponders. If you've connected one to this, you can choose your autoresponder and you can choose the list that you want people to be added to when they register. Then simply click save. Last but not least, if you've got people registered for your event, you'll be able to see them under the registrants tab. Now let's go back to event details. Once all of this has been done, make sure you've clicked save now so that your event is saved and ready to go. And then you click back. Now, when the Livenar event is about to begin, you'll click Go to Live. If this is going to be a live event that you're on, when you click Go to Live, you'll be brought into the studio, and this is where you can enable your camera, share your desktop, and things of that nature. You can go in and add captions to go on the screen. For example, I'll put in here, Matt K, CMO of Zaxtra. That'll pop that on the screen. If I want to add a crawler, I can say get Livenar Plus now at Zaxtra.com, and I can add a crawler to the bottom of the screen. You can also change the primary colors here, secondary colors, which would be like the white text, as well as the line color that's under this by simply choosing the drop downs here. You can also do some really cool things with the branding, like you can show your own logo, like I have the Livenar logo there, or maybe I want to show the Zaxtra logo. You can also upload custom overlays or choose some of the great looking ones that we've created. And last but not least, you can also add a really good looking background. You can invite guests on the show by clicking Add Guest. It'll give you a link that you copy for them, and it's a one-click join for them to get into the Livenar. Of course, you can mute yourself, you can share your screen, and do a lot of great features. Last but certainly not least, you also have the ability to share in the Livenar a video. So you can add videos by uploading them, and when you click on them here, all you have to do is add it to the screen and hit play, and people can see the video playing. That's how easy it is to create a Livenar using Livenar Plus.